foot and we heel toe that right foot out a little bit. Lizard lunge. We're dropping into the hips, opening up our chest, breathing here. And as you next exhale, tuck your back toes, lift your back knee. We're walking in to our Prasarita Padotasta, wide-legged forward fold. You can bend into one leg and then the other, maybe taking a little ragdoll as well, just easing into the inner thighs. You next exhale, both hands come underneath the shoulders. We inhale for our flat back extension. Exhaling to fold. Inhaling, left hand stays on the mat as we reach the right hand up, twist. Exhaling, both hands come down. Inhaling, this time moving to the other side, left hand reaches up. And exhaling, both hands come down as we fold. Inhale once more, reaching the chest forward. As you exhale this time, walk the hands back towards the front of the mat.